Hello students, this is our excursion report. We have to go in for an excursion since the cases are on rise of COVID. So we decided in studying the plants in our vicinity. Some of the students have also contributed some pictures in their surroundings. So now we will be studying the plants in our surroundings. The first plant is Tecoma stanus. It belongs to family Bignoniaceae. And the second one is Thivisia parvovina, that is, it belongs to Thivisia belongs to Apocynaceae. Yeah, this plant is Calotropis gigantea. This is quite common, and you can see the flower. I've shown you here the single flower. You can see the corona. You can see the pentagonal disc, which is quite visible. You can see how it looks like. Yeah, you can see the white colored flowers on these leaves. Along with the leaves, you can see the white colored flowers. You know it already that it is Pancratium. It belongs to family Amaryldaceae. And on this side, the red colored flower, it is that of Canna, and the family is Cannaceae. Now look, this is growing in a pot. It's the student who has sent us this picture. This is that of Aurelia, and it belongs to family Aureliaceae. And on this side, there is a plant growing in a pot. This is Costus, and this Costus belongs to family Costaceae. It is also called insulin plant. It is used for treatment of diabetes. This pinkish colored flowers, you can see that these flowers exist in different colors: white, yeah, dirty white, yellow, orange, and other colors. This is bougainvillea, and the family is Nyctiginaceae. It is used for beautification. It's used as an ornamental plant. And on this side, you can see the yellowish and reddish color, these small flowers. These are that of Lantana camera. You know it's an exotic plant. It is spreading like hell in our area, and it is it's called Ganeri in Marathi, and the family is Verbenaceae. This plant is the one on the left hand side. You can see here that it is, yes, it is Tulsi jar, and you can see it is called Ocimum sanctum. The botanical name is Ocimum sanctum, and it belongs to family Lamiaceae. Previously it was Labiatae. On this side, yeah, you have recognized this is in our that Operation Greenery. The seed has germinated and given rise to a seedling, and seedling has grown in the pot. And this is actually the pupnus. It's also called grapefruit. It is called Citrus maxima, and it belongs to family Rutaceae. Another germinated seed in the pot, which is grown into a big plant now. This is that of Mangifera indica, mango plant, Alfonso, and it is growing in the pot. It's the family is of Mangifera indica is Anacardiaceae. And here you can see the pinkish purplish colored flowers. These are in Marathi we call them as Sadafuli, and this is Vinca rosea. You know already it belongs to family Apocynaceae, and we get to this is also a medicinal plant. Actually all plants are medicinal plants, and this is a medicinal plant. We get two medicines, anti-cancerous drugs, vincristine and vinblastine, that is extracted from this plant only. Now you are well versed with the plant. This plant is that of Hibiscus Rosa sinensis. It belongs to family Malvaceae. And on this side I have got a plant which is being held by a hand, and this is Muraya kongi, the kadipata, which we use often, and it belongs to family Rutaceae. The plant growing in the pot is none other than the piper, beetle leaves you can see here. It belongs to family Piperaceae. And you have on this side the large trees, big trees, avenue trees. Mostly we use them as growing in a park. These are Pseudoashoka. We also call that as Polyalthea, and the family is Annonaceae. Yeah, this one is a picture taken in the college. This is Helicona. It belongs to family Heliconiaceae. It's also an exotic plant. It's also spreading, and we have on this side, right side, this Dracena is a monocot. You study abnormality in this only, so we say anomalies in anatomy when we are studying in Dracena, especially being a monocot, but it's showing secondary growth. And this Dracena belongs to Aspergillus. Yeah, this plant is fishtail palm. You can see it looks like the tail of the fish, and it is called, botanical name is Caryota urens, and it belongs to family Ericaceae. On this side, you have a big tree, quite huge, branched, and you can. This is called Samania semen, and it belongs to family Fabaceae. It has also been introduced. It also is exotic. It has been introduced by Britishers here in Mumbai. This plant is with the floral buds still not opened up. This is Barringtonia, belongs to family Barringtoniaceae, and on this side the purplish colored flowers are those of the plant Bohonia purpurea. It belongs to family Fabaceae. Yeah, this is one of the students who has sent it. It's this passion flower, Passiflora edulis. It belongs to family Passifloraceae, and again the potted plant of Arelia, family Areliaceae, can be seen. This flowering plant, bluish colored flowers, is that of Cuphea hispifolia, and the family is Lythraceae, and same family as that of Mehndi. And this one is this tree you can see here. On this is hanging one of the fruits, is that of kathal, or you can say fanas, and jackfruit or jackfruit. These are the names for jackfruit. And you can see it hanging. It is Atrocarpus, and the heterophilus, and the family is Moraceae. Yeah, this potted plant, these are both are potted plants. This potted plant with these leaves, which are acicular, big leaves, and this is chlorophytum. This is used as an indoor plant for purification of air, indoor air. Mostly people have become very conscious these days, and they are using it. It belongs to family Aspergaceae. And on this side, you can see here with the reddish colored flower, the potted plant. It is that of Pelargonium, and the family is Geraniaceae. Yeah, this potted plant is also indoor air plant, and it is called Dieffenbachia. It belongs to family Ericaceae, and on this side, this pinkish colored flower is that of Ravinia spectabilis, belonging to family. It belongs to family Rotaceae. This plant, tree rather, I should say, is quite blooming this time. It's quite common a picture in the surroundings. It's that of Spathodia, and you can see the flower here, unopened flower here, and open flower complete. You can see even the anthers, stamens can be seen. This is that of Spathodia only, and it belongs to family Bignoniaceae. Last but not least, a big thank you to all of you for patiently listening. Thank you.